Hi Moonlights, today's video I'm going to be opening my homemade fidget toys blind box. So let's start opening it. So I have scissors here and we're gonna follow the line. So let's open. So I don't have a black marker, so I use this now lang. La 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 la. Okay, so I already opened it, guys. So let's see if it's already open or not yet. Oh, it's not yet. So let me just be careful. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna show you guys how I open it. So here are all the stuff you can get. You can get uncommon. So here is an uncommon, common, rare, ultra rare, legendary, and extras. And say good luck. So let's see. Let me trick. Okay, we got this one. So I don't know. It's color yellow, so you get ultra rare. So let's open. So I've only used the scissors, or we're gonna use it. So let's open it. So it's full of scotch tape. Here you go. So we have a dimple. So a homemade dimple. They already saw this in the other video. Yay! So let's see the other one. We just get a common one. See? Let me just use the scissors. We get a tingle. Okay, I'm a DIY tingle. Oh, mommy. Oh my god. DIY tingle. I really like it. So, yep. And let's see the other one. I'm gonna pick not the big one, so this one. So the red one, it's an uncommon one. Here in common, the one we opened a while ago is uncommon one. It just can't open. Oh no. It's okay. I accidentally opened it. So it's okay, guys. So I'll just fix this one. We just broke it. But it's okay. But there's still beads in there. It's one bead here inside. There, you can see it. And let's open this. This is a rare one. Let's see. Let's be more careful. This is how I'm going to open it. Open it like this. I open it like it. Okay, we're gonna open like this. So it's a machine marble. So the first one you got, the pink one, is a machine marble, but it's not that very nice. So yeah. So that's nothing. Let's open this one. The last one. So it's a pink one. It's a legendary. So in the video it looks like it's red, but it's pink. So let's open it up. I'm really excited. We don't need scissors because I don't wanna break it up. Well, you can see yellow stuff. Oh my god, I think this is a dimple, the biggest dimple ever. Oh my godness. Oh my god. Well, we have just got a dimple. So a biggest dimple ever. Not that biggest, but it's very nice. You haven't seen this in the other video because I just made this one like in Fridays or Thursday. I forgot. So yep. Wow, my goodness. So here are all the stuff I got. So yeah, here also. So if you want another kawaii blind box or blind box stuff, just comment down below or like this video. I'm gonna be thinking another video. So bye, Moonlights.